Today's medical-centric topic is Top 5 Medicinal Roots You Haven't Heard of, but should know about. When it comes to natural remedies, most people know about popular roots like ginger, turmeric, and ginseng. But the world of herbal medicine is much bigger and packed with fascinating plants that have supported health for centuries in cultures around the world. Here are 5 lesser-known medicinal roots that deserve attention for their unique properties and potential health benefits. 1. Burdock root. Native to Europe and Asia, burdock root has long been used in traditional medicine for its detoxifying properties. Potential benefits: supports liver health, may help clear skin conditions like acne or eczema. Rich in antioxidants and fiber. It's often consumed as a tea or added to soups and stews. 2. Suma root, Brazilian ginseng. Suma root comes from the Amazon rainforest and is traditionally used as a tonic and adaptogen. Potential benefits: may boost energy and endurance, supports immune health, traditionally used to improve stress resilience. It's often taken as a powder or capsule. 3. Marshmallow root. No relation to the sugary treat. Marshmallow root comes from the Althea officinalis plant and has been used for soothing irritated tissues. Potential benefits: calms sore throat and cough, supports digestive health by coating the stomach lining, anti-inflammatory for skin when used topically, commonly found in herbal tea. 4. Ashhataba root. Native to Japan, Ashhataba means tomorrow's leaf because of its fast growth. Its roots have been traditionally used for longevity and wellness. Potential benefits: rich in antioxidants like chalcones, may support healthy circulation, may reduce inflammation. It's available as a powder, tea, or supplement. 5. Elecampane root. Used in traditional European herbalism, elecampane root is prized for respiratory support. Potential benefits: helps clear phlegm and ease coughs, may soothe bronchitis and other respiratory conditions. Mild antimicrobial properties, usually consumed as a tea or tincture. Important note on safety: while these roots are natural, they're not risk-free. Always check with a healthcare provider before trying new herbs, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or taking medications. Some roots can cause allergic reactions or interact with other treatments. Bottom line: these 5 medicinal roots, burdock, suma, marshmallow, ashhataba, and elecampane, offer exciting traditional remedies you might not have heard of but are worth exploring. Used thoughtfully and with guidance, they can add a natural boost to your wellness routine while honoring herbal traditions from around the world.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.